Our purpose with this project was really to open up the library collection. The Cathedral Library has an immense collection of materials that go beyond just the medieval, and as a medievalist, that's what I tend to focus my attentions. But as our students have discovered, there's a huge amount of material available to be worked on. Our goal was to introduce interdisciplinary approaches and creative responses to the material. So we discovered what happens when you put a historian, a dramatist, a literary scholar, and a sound artist into the mix, and what kind of results do you get.
Really made me appreciate sources a lot more. A lot of mine were kind of pulled from digital archives online. Again, mine were a lot more modern. I think it really made me appreciate just the spectrum of kind of sources available. And actually able to appreciate what they're made of, their material, their creation, how they've come to be, kind of what they convey as well, I think is really important and really kind of interested me.
I was able to pick up a lot of skills that I'd never had any kind of idea about. So just the process of working in an archive, I never knew how to hold the text, and also I never knew how to correctly kind of document what I was finding in them anyway. So all this stuff is really beneficial to me, and I'm definitely going to take it forward in my studies. There's a wealth of things that people could choose to take from this and create their own projects with. There's a lot of documents here that you can really make your own and have a lot of fun with, I think.
The oldest was printed in 1468, and we have a very large modern reference collection, which is the material that I'm standing in front of at the moment, split between Exchequer Gate, where we currently are, and Lincoln Cathedral itself, where there's another reading room. I
say just go ahead and do it. Again, don't just assume. I think I probably fell into that trap a little bit of just assuming it was kind of medieval manuscripts and more older documents. But again, just go out there. It might be a little bit out of your comfort zone. It certainly was for me, kind of some more of the older documents and sources in there. But again, it's really enjoyable. I think it does make you appreciate a lot more the actual sources when you can see them, kind of pick them up, look at them as that person would have done all those years ago as well.